watching the skies for severe weather today and watching the tropics next week. Weather Call will call, text, or email you when tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings hit your area. Sign up for just $15 a year at the link in this description. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. It is cloudy, gloomy, and very muggy out there, and we do have the potential for thunderstorms as we go into the day today. And while unlikely, I can't rule out a tornado between 3 to 10 p.m. But you look at the futurecast, a lot of white on this map, a lot of dry weather on this map too. So it's not a washout for today, but when it rains, it could quite literally pour, and we do have a low risk for a tornado. Want to give a quick shout out to Avalon here because last night I was at the library. We talked about the 5 worst storms in Cape May County's history. Even got to talk with my man CJ Mayo, who is a future meteorologist. We had a good conversation afterwards. So thank you, Avalon, and thank you to everybody who came out. All right, here's a look at our Thursday numbers. Temperatures rising to around 80 degrees here. It's going to be muggy out there as well. At the shore, we'll be around 76 for a high. I have the rain icon there, but again, it's really just more cloudy all day long than rainy all day long. But between 3 to 10 p.m., the potential for severe weather is there, and a tornado, while unlikely, is not ruled out. Thursday night's forecast, again, until about 10 p.m. We do have that thunderstorm and low tornado risk. Afterwards, it's just spotty showers. But look at these temperatures. I mean, you could plug this into the middle of July and this would fit. And it's our waning days of September. Now, when it comes to this humid air, it's actually our most humid day we've had since August 20th. Now, we look at our dew points. This is what you're looking at. Dew points, measure of moisture in the air at ACY Airport. That 72 line is that black line I drew. Anywhere in red is when we got above that. And again, the last time we did that was August 20th. Now, part of the reason for this is because it's been kind of cool and crisp for late August into September, but not so much in our last days of the month. All right, let's take a look at some tornado notes. So how to shelter in case you're in a tornado warning. Get to the lowest floor and get away from windows. And important too, get to the center of the building. Not just your apartment, if you live in an apartment or you're in an office space. Center of the building, that's where it's sturdiest. There are more factors against tornadoes than for tornadoes today, and that is good news here because that cloud cover, that's really number one in terms of priority, and we have a lot of cloud cover, which lowers the threat of any kind of severe weather. We go into Friday, it's mostly dry, it's just isolated showers that could be left over early in the morning and then maybe flare back up during the afternoon. You will see sunshine. It'll be a warm day, not as humid as today, but actually pretty comfortable. Here's a look at our futurecast showing you what's going on here. We'll take you through the weekend, and as we go into Friday night, we really start to clear out, but clouds do come back as we go into Saturday. We are looking for a few showers, mainly south of the AC Expressway, late Saturday into Saturday night. By Sunday morning, this is getting out of here. I think it moves to our northwest, and then we're dry for the rest of the day. Here's Tropical Storm Umberto. Looks like it's coming to New Jersey. It won't. It will actually curve back out to sea. This one's a tropical storm. Turns into a major hurricane, though, as we go into early next week. Rip current's going to be a big issue next week, along with high surf. This is the one I'm a little more concerned about. This one with the red area that's going to the northwest. I don't think we see a direct landfall here, but heavy rain certainly threatens next week. That looks to be Tuesday and Wednesday for now. We're going to update you on this as we go forward. I don't expect, again, a direct impact to New Jersey. This would be the remnant kind of tropical moisture we usually see this time of the year. And honestly, we could use some rain as long as it's not excessive. We go over to the Beach Downs forecast. Here you go. Temperatures peaking in the upper 70s Friday and then low 70s into the weekend. Again, it's Saturday, late Saturday into Saturday night, early Sunday with the shower here. I do think all in all, most of your weekend is dry.